Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enter download mode on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, first of all, just use your charging cable. Just connect one end of your charging cable to your smartphone and connect the other end of your charging cable to your PC or to your laptop. Now let's do this. Let's connect one end of our charging cable to our smartphone just like that. Now just connect the other end of your charging cable to your PC or to your laptop. Now you don't have to do anything on your PC or on your laptop. Just connect your smartphone to your PC or to your laptop. Now after that, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Just like that. Now just keep pressing these buttons until the screen goes black. After that, just release the volume down button and press and hold the volume up button. Just like that. Now, as you can see, we have entered the recovery mode on our smartphone. Now using the volume down button, just select Reboot to Bootloader. Now after that, just press the power button to confirm this action. Now from here, just wait for a few seconds. Now as you can see, we have successfully entered to download mode. Now to exit download mode on your smartphone, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Now just keep pressing the volume down button and the power button until the screen goes black. And this is how you can enter download mode on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.